Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Saman here, your grammar teacher. Today the topic we are going to study is collective nouns. We are going to see what are collective nouns. Nouns, you already know what are nouns. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. It's a name of anything. So everything in the universe is having a name. So we can say that everything is a noun. So the nouns are the names. Now what are collective nouns? The word itself is suggesting you that if collective nouns are used to describe a group of the same things. It means that when you're talking about the things that are of the same kind, or you're talking about a group of something, then we use the collective noun for that. For example, you can see over here there's a group of fish, so you can say for the group of fish you can use the collective noun school of fish. School of fish is used for a group of fish. So this is the collective noun for fish. There are some more examples, like a string of beads. Here you can see on a string there are multiple beads on it, hanging on it. Then a bundle of sticks, a bunch of bananas, a bouquet of flowers, a deck of cards, a forest of trees, a dozen of zebras, a herd of cows, a flight of stairs, a flock of sheep. Now in all these things you can notice the collective nouns that are used for the similar things. Now if you're talking about the flowers, these are all flowers. So if you are having a bundle of flowers, you will say a bouquet of flowers. If you're having cards like this, more than 2, 3, 4 cards, a group of cards, then you will say a deck of cards. Same goes for bananas, a bunch of bananas, then a forest of trees. So these are the collective nouns that we have used for the similar things, like bouquet, deck, forest, herd, flocks, flight, desert. So let's see more examples, like collective nouns, a singular noun that names a group. For example, one class, many kids. Class is a collective noun, and in one class there are many kids in it. So there are different collective nouns that are used for people, animals and things. Some of them I have written over here. For people, you can use the collective noun class, team, crowd, band, audience, group, family, bunch, choir and troop. These all are the collective nouns that are used for the people. Now here are some collective nouns used for the animals also. Like if you're talking about a group of fish, then you will say school of fish, an army of ants, a flock of birds, hive of bees, cloud of flies, pack of wolves. These are the specific collective nouns that are used with the specific animals. So you have to learn these, that what are the collective nouns that are used for different animals. Now here same is the case with the things as well. For example, a pack of gum. If you are having 2 or 3 gum, so you will say at that a pack of gum. Pack is a collective noun. Deck of cards, carton of eggs, forest of trees, pile of trash, bunch of grapes, flight of stairs, pair of shoes, stack of paper, batch of cookies. Now all the words that are highlighted, these are basically the collective nouns used for these things: pack, deck, carton, forest, pile, bunch, flight, pair, stack, batch. These all are called the collective nouns. Now one more very important question: how to use collective noun? Is it singular or plural? Now collective nouns are used when we are talking about the group of things. Now the second question is that after using the collective noun, which verb will be used after that? It should be singular or plural. As we are talking about a group of things, so it comes in our mind that we should use the plural noun, but we consider collective noun as singular nouns. Why? Because see, collective nouns are considered singular nouns because all the members are taken as one group, and if they are doing the same action, then singular verb will be used with it, as singular nouns take singular verb. If you're talking about a singular thing, then you use singular noun. We use s or es with the verb. Now you are talking about the collective nouns. Collective noun is as a whole. It is used as a whole. It is used as one unit. So singular verb will be used with it. See the example. Every morning the herd follows its leader to the watering hole for a drink. Now herd is a group of animals, and after herd we have used the singular verb, that is follows. Herd is a group and we have taken it as a singular subject, and the verb is also singular. Herd is a singular collective noun, follows is a singular verb, and the word its is a singular pronoun. All the animals in the herd arrive at the watering hole at the same time. So this is very important, that if all the members of one group they are doing the same action, then you are going to use singular verb after that. If you are talking about 2 or 3 animals, then plural verb will be used. But if you are talking about the collective noun, you are taking it as a whole, then we will use singular noun. So let's solve the exercises. Here there are some of the examples. You can see, draw lines to match the picture with the collective missing word, with the correct missing word. A group of fish. What do we call a group of fish? Pride, fleet, school, herd, or bouquet. Same, a group of lions, a large group of sheep, a group of cut flowers, a group of deer. Now we are going to see that how we are going to match it. A group of fish is called basically a school of fish. A school of fish will be used for a group of fish. Let's make a line like this. Now a group of fish is a school of fish. Then a group of lions. A group of lion is the collective noun that is used for a group of lion is called a pride of lions. Sorry, wait. Yes, it's a pride of lions. Then a large group of ships. For a large group of ships, we use the word fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Then a group of cut flowers. For the flower, we use the word collective noun bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. Then a group of deers. A group of deers, we use a herd of deer. So these are the collective nouns: pride of lions, fleet of ships, school of fish, herd of deer, and bouquet of flowers. Now let's come up to the second exercise, that is complete the table below. Staff, patrol, squad, company, class, circle, and team. Now here we are having blanks, we have to fill them. A dash of friends. What do we call a group of friends? Now here the group is not used over here, so we are going to say circle of friends. Let me write down for you. Here you are going to write circle of friends. Now next is dash of pupils. Dash of pupils, we are going to use class of pupils. Pupils are the students, so we are going to use the word class over here. Class of pupils. Then a dash of actors. Dash of actors, company of actors. From the options, dash of actors, the answer is company of actors. A dash of policemen. Dash of policemen, it will be squad of policemen. Squad of policemen. These are the collective noun that we are using. Dash of soldiers, it is patrol of soldiers. Patrol of soldiers. Dash of employees, staff of employees. Okay. Staff of employees. A dash of athlete, team of athlete. Dash of athlete, there it will be team of athlete. Okay, now let's come up to the next exercise, that is each of these sentences contain a collective noun. Select the correct answer from the option. Okay, now here you can see number first, keys, marbles and rubber bands were just a few of the things in the pile of object in his drawer. Now here, marbles, things or pile. What is the collective noun? Pile is the collective noun. So we are going to highlight this. Don't do this. And underline it. Okay, pile is the answer. Pile is a collective noun. The boys decided to join the navy after graduation. Now what is the collective noun used over here? Boys, navy or graduation. The boys decided to join the navy after graduation. Navy is the collective noun. We're going to underline it and highlight it. Okay, next is after the performance, all the actors joined hands and bowed towards the audience. Now, what is the collective noun over here? Performance, actors, or audience? Now, audience is the group of people. So, audience is the collective noun. We are going to underline it and highlight it. Okay, next is the team celebrated heartily after scoring a winning goal. What is the collective noun over here? Team, winning or goal? Team is the collective noun over here. So we are going to highlight it. Now you can see the answers over here. See, in the first sentence, pile is keys, marbles and rubber bands were just a few of the things in the pile of object in his drawer. Now pile is the collective noun. Here in this second one, navy is a group of soldiers. Okay, so navy is collective noun. Then in the third one, audience is a group of people listening, so audience is the collective noun. And then in the last one, team is the collective noun. It's a group of people. Okay, so these are the exercises about the collective noun. I hope you have understood everything. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.